Knowledge is power.
Pew pew.
Everybody, I'm DJ HailNazareth with United City Plugin, and today we're going to learn how to install BIGO Streamer on a PC with an Android and an Apple phone. So, let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do is go to bigo.tv, so that's BIGO.tv. Then we're going to go into the selection where it says BIGO Streamer and click that. Okay, now we're at the BIGO Live Streamer page. So right now we're going to install BIGO Live Streamer for Windows. Keep in mind, this is not for Apple, Mac, whatever you want to call it. This is just for Windows. So if anyone is trying to install this on Apple, I don't know what to tell you. When I find out, we'll do it together. But keep in mind, we're going to install it and then we're going to do the work from here. Okay? So with that being said,
all systems go.
No, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 second.
I already installed BIGO Streamer on my PC, which you see right here.
Pew pew.
And we're going to now click on it to install and set up our account. Now, before I go any further, there's a few things you're going to need in order to play BIGO on your computer. And if you don't have some of these items, it's okay, you can still use it, but it's better to have certain things on this list before you begin streaming. So here's the list right here, okay?
Professor, I would like to thank you again for your cooperation.
Now, in this selection, you're going to have to know your password and, of course, your telephone number that you use when making a BIGO account. So once again, in this box, you would type your telephone number, and in the second box, you would type your password that you made when creating a BIGO account. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to log in now, and then we're going to continue to play around with this program, okay? And by the way, if you're still watching this, please like, share, and subscribe. And also, you can follow us on these popular social media platforms. Okay, so I already logged into BIGO Streamer, and this is the layout you're supposed to see when already logged in. Pay attention to this window because this is important, because most of the stuff you're going to use when streaming on BIGO. So you have everything labeled. You have settings, you have the game or music choice, and then you have the chat. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is this icon here, which says tag. We're going to type in the game or the music or whatever we're going to work with. And then settings is just relating to all the audio and video applications you need when playing your music. And finally, the chat, which we will show later on. Actually, the chat is right here in this box here. And this is where you see all your messages and all your notifications in this window. So like I said, these are the three main items you're going to be using when working with BIGO Stream. So this is how it looks actually when you log in.
Pew pew.
So this is how BIGO actually look when you're in a live stream. I didn't go live yet because once I go live, it's going to get packed in the chat, which is a good thing when you go on BIGO. You always get a room full of people. I kid you not. The least amount of people I had in my chat room was probably 50. So that's a good thing. So this is why I always log on to BIGO. So anyway, I'm playing Until Dawn, as you can see here. Good game. Old school game, but very good and very theatric. What else I can say? Some of these features I talked about previously. So once again, you have the stream, you have the camera, you have the text, you have the notification, the chat, the sound, and of course the settings. Okay, so I'm gonna go through each one.
Professor, I would like to thank you again for your cooperation.
No, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 second, 1 minute, son.
All systems go.
So right here, game capture, screen capture. So when you click that, you can either go to whatever you're recording or whatever you're broadcasting. So right now I am broadcasting playing Until Dawn. So that's why you see that there. I already have a window loaded up, so I don't really need to go here. Okay, so then we have camera. So depending on what camera you have, you just go to your list, click the down arrow right here, click down, and whatever camera you're going to use, just select it, and that's pretty much it. Then you have the text and the image. If you want to put your own logo when you're streaming, you can. Text, I already put my Cash App over here, so that's why you see that like this. Then you have over here notifications. We'll get to that soon. Then you have the chat, which is this window right here. So this is the chat window. Okay. And once you log in, you get a whole list of people or viewers in this box here. Then you have the sound, which I have already modified. So I put more sound than microphone because people mainly want to hear about the game, not me commentating. And then finally you have settings. So when I click this, you get the list like I told you, general, video, which, you know, and then you have audio. Now whatever your audio is linked to, that's where it will select. So if your audio is whatever, I have a lot of audio features, so please don't pay this any mind, but just set it to default so it won't confuse you, okay? And of course messages, which I have it medium because I don't need it so small and I don't need it too large. So that's pretty much it. Now, if all is well, I click go live, preparing.
Pew pew.
See this window popped up, send a stream notify. So I'm just gonna send now instead of reset. I'm gonna send now, okay? Notifications sent out, and people are piling in now. So like I said, it gets crowded a little bit, so give it time. But this is the game, and this is all you need to do to stream on BIGO. A Windows PC, your phone, whether it's an Android or Apple, and that's pretty much it. So once you have all this together, you're fine and ready to stream on BIGO. And again, if you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comments section. And also you can email me and follow us on these popular social media channels. But anyway, I'm DJ HailNazareth with United City Plugin. Thank you for watching, and of course, stay safe.